In this video, I'll show you how to place the Memo Beacon in Arknights Endfield. Now, before you can place it, you have to unlock it. So to unlock it, simply bring up the AIC plan. So press the T button on your keyboard to bring up the AIC plan, or you can simply pause the game. And then from the game, you can select AIC plan and select it. Now from here, you'll have to navigate to the exploration section and then find the Memo Beacon technology. So ensure that you have researched this and you'll unlock the Memo Beacon. Now once you've unlocked it, all you have to do is go into AIC mode. So press the tab or the D-pad button on your controller to go to AIC mode, and then select the facility list. And then from here, find the Memo Beacon option. So here it is. So simply select it and ensure that you have enough crafted so that you can place them. Now, if you don't have it crafted, simply select construction and then choose the quantity that you need to craft, and that will craft the Memo Beacon. Now, once you have crafted enough, all you have to do is select place and then choose the beacon content for that particular Memo Beacon. So let's say, for instance, you can select this one, and that one. And then once you have selected the contents, you can simply click on confirm, and now you'll be prompted to place the beacon. So you can also rotate the beacon by pressing the rotate facility option. And then once you're satisfied with the beacon placement, you can simply select confirm placement, and there you go. You have successfully placed your Memo Beacon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.